There's a pattern in what you see. A feel or smell, it's a property. Use your senses to compare. I like it different everywhere. Describe the texture. Is it smooth? What temperature is it cold to you? Is it heavy? What's the weight? Big or small? What's the size and shape? It's a property. It's a property. There's a pattern in what you see. You can sort things by properties. Group the objects that are alike. Need a closer look, just magnify. Is it a solid, liquid, or gas? Look closer still. What's the mass? Will it sink? Will it float? Test and measure, then you'll know. It's a property.
Mr. Howard had Caleb and Lauren bring in some objects as homework for today's lab. Each of the objects is a little different from the others. They have different properties. Something you can observe about an object is called a property. Mr. Howard asks Lauren to record the observations they are going to make on the poster board he brought for a chart. Caleb and Lauren made the same types of observations about the properties of ice. The color is mostly clear. The texture is smooth. It's hard, rigid, not flexible. And even though ice is a form of water, it's solid. Lauren and Caleb bring the plastic bag and the sandpaper to compare in their first Venn diagram. This idea picture starts with two circles. Each object has its own circle. Since they will be comparing the two objects, overlap the circles. In each circle, we write the properties of the object. Let's write their differences first.